Hi friends, this is Akila Shinu from FinCity. These are the top 5 precautions to take when using public transport. As public transport services resume in the UAE, you may be thinking of using them to go to work or for an essential trip. If so, you need to do these basic precautions. The first precaution: reach 30 minutes ahead of time. It is important to not overcrowd metro cabins or buses. So, the Roads and Transport Authority urged commuters to reach the bus or metro station well in advance. If the first bus or metro that arrives has enough passengers, wait for the next one. This will help ensure social distancing in the bus or metro cabin. The second precaution: step back. Whether it is in line to get onto a bus or making your way out of metro station, ensure you are always maintaining a distance of 6 feet from others. The Roads and Transport Authority (RTA) has marked certain seats with the label "No seating". This is to ensure social distancing protocols are followed everywhere. It is important to ensure social distancing, particularly when you could potentially come in contact with several people during the day. Third precaution: wear a face mask. Wearing a mask is mandatory whenever you step out of your home. It is mandatory to wear a face mask whenever you step outdoors. Follow the same precaution when using the public transport. Not wearing a face mask can land you with a fine of 80,000 in Dubai. However, it becomes a lot more significant to protect yourself when you are using public facilities and come in contact with several people through the trip. RTA has posted stickers across its facilities reminding people to always wear masks. The fourth precaution: only 2 passengers in a taxi. If you are taking a taxi, the RTA has implemented strict guidelines limiting the number of passengers permitted in a taxi to 2. Dubai taxis have also installed isolators, a physical barrier between the driver and the passengers in the back seat. The fifth and the last precaution: hand sanitizers and gloves. While not mandatory, this is an advisory the RTA has posted across its facilities. Also, it is important to remember that even if you are wearing gloves, you should use hand sanitizers like you normally would. Remember to wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water once you reach your destination.